How to fix tutor not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and search apps. You will see apps is here. Scroll down and search Twitter app. Scroll down and search Twitter app. Scroll down to and you will see Twitter app is here. So click on Twitter app. Scroll down and click on storage. So if you want to fix Twitter not working problem, so first of all click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So after the process you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Twitter not working app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.